And I should be kagaya sa Negros, yung Sagay incident. So, ibig sabihin, sila lang man ang nagpataya noon, but yet it's causing a big issue out there.
Sir, some groups are seeing this as a prelude daw for a declaration for a national martial law.
Ako? But I told you, I will not declare martial law. Yun lang mo kaya ang usapan natin. You're all interested to know if I'm going to declare martial law or not. No, I am not going to declare martial law. There's enough powers of the presidency na magamit ko. Well, kung talagang it's widespread violence, then maybe. But I do not need really violence every corner of the Philippines to